Hey y'all, thank you for tuning in to my page. I'll be on here more consistently, I promise. Today I'm doing an unboxing of my best friend's skincare line. Super proud of her and her hubby. It's a vegan skincare line, like no cruelty. I love it. I've already been using one of her products because she had a pre-launch last month and I got her Hydrating facial moisturizer. And y'all, it's amazing. I use it every day. That's all I have on my face. I don't have on no foundation or nothing because I, try to get my skin breathers, right? This has aloe in it, chamomile in it, and it has like a lavender smell. It's so amazing, y'all. And a little bit goes a long way. Y'all can see I've been using it, right? I love this face moisturizer. So this was her old packaging. Now I got her new packaging that I'm gonna share with y'all. Let me cover up my address. This is her box, ANC Skincare. That's her and her hubby. I love them. All right. So I'm going to open this up with you all and let's see what we got. Okay. So this is the new packaging. So here is their ANC Skincare Cucumber Daily Cleanser. Has vitamin B3 and white willow. This I heard is so good. I've been seeing a lot of reviews, so I can't wait to use it. I also now have their Detoxifying charcoal mask. A couple of my friends had ordered this in their pre-launch and I've been using it, so I'm excited to use it because I'm hearing great things. It has 3 earth clays and charcoal in it, so I'll be using that. And then I also have the new packaging for the face moisturizer. So this is the clear one, so sleek and classy, right? I already love that. You already know that. And then I also got the vitamin C Cc Serum, and it has vitamin C and citrus stem cells in here, y'all. Like, I can't wait to try it. It sounds like it's gonna smell good, okay? And then I also got their Perfect 10 oil cleanser with plant oils in it. So I can't wait to put that on there, and my skin is just gonna be glowing, okay, and nice and soft, okay? Don't play with me. So those are the new products I got, and they gave me a cute little freebie, a little brush for when I'm scrubbing my face with my cleanser. So thank y'all. I'm super excited about these products. Like, go get it. I'm gonna put all the information in the description, right? So y'all can order. Go follow them on Instagram at ANC Skincare. Like, y'all, do not miss out. She's always giving out deals and promos, like everything. Like, this skincare line is amazing, and there's even more products, y'all. So go get your products. Thank you, bestie. Love y'all.